My name is Sudhara and I'm going to bring you this cryptocurrency video today. Actually guys, this is an emergency video. I think in the next few weeks, in the next couple of weeks, the Bitcoin can go up a little bit, okay, or most probably the sideways, but I think there is a potential for Bitcoin to go up. Okay guys, remember that. I'm telling it because of my fib analysis. I will show you the analysis part now. Okay, as you can see here, I have used fib circles, guys. Okay, let's see what has happened in these fib circles. Guys, this is really simple. Okay, at first we have crossed these fib circles, you can see here. So we have found resistance, then support, then resistance, but break the resistance, guys. This area, the whole area has acted as resistance. Okay, then we have gone down, down, then again resistance, break the resistance, go higher, as you can see here. Then we again found support, so you can see here, okay, support, going higher, then again resistance, support. Okay guys, here also resistance. Okay, likewise you can see the fib circles. You can see the Bitcoin has the fib circles. The Bitcoin has respected to the fib circles very nicely, guys. Okay, so I think you got my point, but that is not the thing, guys. As you can see here, each time we are passing, okay, each time we are passing these fib circles, each time we cross this fib circle, you can see Bitcoin has gone up. Here Bitcoin has gone up, so here also this fib circle has acted as resistance. That is why it has gone down. But I'm telling you, once the Bitcoin has passed these fib circles, crossed these fib circles, confirming that cross, so each time it has gone where? It has gone upside, guys. Upside, guys. So now we are here, guys. We are very close to another fib ring. Okay, so guys, there is I think according to the historical data, once we have crossed these fib circles, you can see here each time we have the Bitcoin has gone upside. So guys, though you see the potentiality of Bitcoin towards the upside here, there is still the potentiality of downside, guys. Because why I'm saying that, as you can see, according to the fib retracement tool, still the Bitcoin is having its support around 1.618 area, guys. As you can see, it is taking its support around 1.618. Still we can expect a big bounce from here also, but according to the historical data, in each cycles the Bitcoin has gained its support around 1.618 to 2.272 in this range, guys. So we can have that bounce around this range. So mind this 1.618 and 2.272 ratio, guys. They are really important. But anyway, still there is a potentiality of downside target also. So guys, apart from that, according to today's video, actually I expect this Bitcoin will cross this ring and go more towards upside. Okay, but mind that there is the potentiality of downside also there, guys. It is not nothing is certain in this market, guys. Anything can happen in Bitcoin market, you know that, right? So you have to prepare for both scenario. So guys, if we apply fib retracement tool towards the upside, thinking that this is the bottom for this cycle, okay, thinking the bottom, okay, we haven't confirmed it yet, okay, still the Bitcoin can go more downside. Okay, nothing is certain in this market. Anything can happen anytime, so you have to be prepared for both scenario, guys. Actually, what I am seeing is Bitcoin most probably will go upside in the upcoming couple of weeks. Yeah, Bitcoin will go more upside, but it is temporarily, guys, short termly, and it can go down also, or else Bitcoin can go sideways, guys. Anyway, whatever the scenario happens, okay, let's find out if the Bitcoin go upside from here. Okay, assuming that this is the bottom, then what are the target, guys? So you can see here, if the Bitcoin crosses this ring, it will get the resistance in 0.382 or 0.5, like that, guys. Okay, if Bitcoin starts going sideways again, the Bitcoin will hit this in this range, guys. It will hit in this range and go on downside, guys. So you have to accept that also. Or if the Bitcoin is started pumping very nicely, then, guys, 1.618 will be the my target here, guys. So I will be shorting if the Bitcoin reaches $35,000, guys. There is a potentiality of upside target, but I don't say that is 35,000, because still the Bitcoin can go sideways. So if it goes sideways like this, so there is a potentiality of reaching the 0.786 or this one fib level price, guys, 25,000 or around 22,679, guys. So I think it is my opinion, if the Bitcoin crosses this ring and pump, if it started pumping, then most probably the Bitcoin will reach to 20,679 price tag, guys. Let's assume that the Bitcoin has bottom out here, and if it crossed this ring and started pumping, then the Bitcoin there is a potentiality of upside target towards 1.618 ratio. You know that $34,000 price tag. But, guys, for that price also the Bitcoin should it should pump very hard. Okay, guys. But according to the historical data, as you can see here, in each rings, after it crosses this ring, it has pumped hard, guys. Pumped hard. You can see pumped hard. So if we see the same thing in this bear market cycle also, guys, then it should pump hard, and my minimum target will be 34,000 price tag for Bitcoin, guys. So these are just my assumptions, guys. I'm telling what I'm seeing. I'm telling what the charts are telling to me. Okay, so don't get my advices as financial advices. Do your own research, guys. I'm telling what I am seeing and what I'm doing. Okay, guys, I think you got something new here. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you very much. Bye.